that out, you can see the steps there. So, trying to level that out, but started here in the center. Things are coming along. So, here we go. Getting better. Lots of shavings. Not perfect, but better. We've still got a ways to go. But I don't think you need to watch me do this the whole time. So basically I'm going to have quite a bit of time in to flatten this. So I really, really, really wish I had a big planer. But I don't. And by a big planer I mean a mechanical, electrical planer. So. But I don't have one, so by hand it goes. Not perfect, but I can get, I think, most of it out with a sander next. I got some good gouges from planing, but you know, like the last inch of this and this side are going to be cut off to square up the table anyways. So it is looking good. That's the side that I showed you a little while ago that I first started on. And then there's the other side. So this side's going to be the top and this side's going to be the bottom. But I'm hot and sweaty, and I think that's it for today. Close enough. So I'm just going to keep on sanding for a while. I've got a router with a half rounder bit, round over bit. I'm going to do all the corners. I was going to stop, but the sun went down and it started to get cooler out, so I'm afraid before long though I'm going to run out of light for video. Sorry, I'm really tired. I keep thinking it just took off on its own. That's pretty slick. My sander is possessed. So, like I was saying, I'm just going to keep sanding, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Okay, I ran the router around the edge. Pretty much got it sanded roughly down. I'm trying to decide if I should use a little epoxy to fill in a couple of the deeper nail holes and a couple of the knot holes. But I think it's looking good. This is my first attempt at laminating a top. So don't be too hard on me. Talk to you guys later. Bye.